Greetings YouTube, and introducing the newest section of our backyard food forest that we have indeed dubbed the Bermuda Triangle, where we're currently growing green bell peppers. We're currently revegetating our now 2-year-old yellow sweet banana pepper plant. We're growing indeterminate tomatoes, and we're also growing cherry tomatoes. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! As you guys can see in this shot, this is indeed why we named this section the Bermuda Triangle. This is our now 2-year-old yellow sweet banana pepper plant that we're currently revegetating. This is our green bell pepper plant that we planted out here. This is our now second season indeterminate tomato plant that we originally grew out at Sweet Baby Red and overwintered in our high tunnel greenhouse last year. The ugliest tomato plant on the planet, YouTube. But boy, is this thing loaded, YouTube, with tomatoes. And you guys see that there are so many tomatoes on this plant. We actually have one there that's in need of harvesting. Top to bottom, this ugly tomato plant is loaded, YouTube. And back there in the back, we have our third cherry tomato plant, our third propagated cherry tomato plant that we grew from a cutting in our high tunnel greenhouse last year during the winter months. And it too, YouTube, is currently loaded with tomatoes back here at the Bermuda Triangle in our backyard food forest. Thanks for watching, YouTube.